Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IAS coaching in your city, Ahmedabad? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in your city, Ahmedabad. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus IAS Coaching. Let's talk about the features of this institution first. The number 1 being online classes. Number 2, recorded videos with high quality. Number 3, current affairs. Number 4, experienced faculty. Number 5, mock test. And finally, they provide you 24/7 doubt session. Now let us talk about the contact number, email ID and the website of this institution, and then we'll talk about this institute. The email ID includes info@plutusacademy.com and their mobile number includes 8123002802. The website of this institute being www.plutusacademy.com. Now let us talk about this institution. Plutus Academy is the organization which gives the right platform to the students who want to succeed in government examinations. They ensure that each aspirant gets an environment where they could trigger their mind and build a right path toward the success. The coaching aims to develop a competitive attitude along with a sound academic base with quality teaching. For more than 20 years, they have been guiding the candidates for this competitive examination. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone Coaching is one of the best institutions for IAS preparation, as this institute provides a completely free of cost counseling session for the students. Yes, you heard it right, a completely free of cost counseling session which is very useful for every student preparing for IAS examination. The student can register for this counseling session via the website of this institution, which I'll be telling shortly, so stay tuned. Before that, let's talk about the contact details, like including email ID and the mobile number. The email ID includes info@thehinduzone.com and their phone number includes 8800222298. The website of this institution is www.thehinduzone.com. If any student wishes to register for this free counseling session, they can visit their website and they can register for this counseling session. Now let us talk about this institution a while. Alright. Excellent career guidance and multiple benefits provided with The Hindu Zone, hence you should join them and get access to their free courses and flagship features like small batch classes, interactive classes, etc. At The Hindu Zone, the fee ranges as per the need of the student. Multiple benefits are provided to students like an extra support mentor, free e-library access, notes of multiple flagship coaching institutes, a guide who will keep a check on your preparation and will provide you with a quick tips and tricks. So what we are waiting for? Go ahead and join this institution, contact them. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Delhi Institute for Civil Services Coaching in Ahmedabad. Delhi Institute for Civil Services is the best IAS coaching institute in Ahmedabad. The purpose of DICS is to provide excellent study material, faculties and study environment to the local students, so students not go to Delhi for their preparation and can have the same level of preparation in Ahmedabad only. DICS provide best and updated study material to all the students. Alright, the address in Ahmedabad is Sagar Complex opposite Lakhudi Circle near Vardhan Tar Sardar Patel Stadium Road, Navrangpura, Ahmedabad 38009. The contact numbers being 0794009891 and 9904238555. Alright. The fee structure includes a sum of rupees 68,000 for 10 to 12 months, and the optional subject for political science fees includes a sum of rupees 30,000. The batch size is 25 students in one batch. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Chanakya IAS Academy in Ahmedabad. In Ahmedabad, Chanakya IAS Academy is a well-known name for IAS coaching. Faculties of Chanakya Academy are very well experienced in their teaching process and fields. Chanakya also provides sessions on newspaper reading, essay writing and answer writing, which enhances the skills of the students. Further, Chanakya IAS Academy provides the best and research study material to their students and also conducts workshops. Alright, the address being 301 Sachet III, 3rd floor, Mirambika School Road, Naranpura, Ahmedabad 380013. The contact numbers being 7574824916 and 7574824917. Alright, the fee structure for IAS coaching with essay plus CSAT fees includes a sum of rupees 1,57,000, which is the mains fee, and it includes also a sum of rupees 1,35,000. The batch size includes 60 to 70 students in one regular batch. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also a rank 5 institute in this list, is Umia Career Development Council IAS in Ahmedabad. UCDC is established in 2000. The aim of UCDC is to provide guidance and coaching in a scientific manner through modern teaching techniques to the youth. The students are provided residential facilities on the campus when it was offline. Also, highly knowledgeable and experienced resources are there in UCDC for optional subjects and general studies subject as well. Alright, the address being Shri Umia Mataji campus near Bhagwat Vidyapeeth, opposite Agrawal Mall, SG Highway, Sola, Ahmedabad, Gujarat 380063. The contact number being 07927662686. The fee structure includes a sum of rupees 10,000 and this is for 4 to 6 months after you pass the test. The batch size includes 40 to 50 students in one batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in your city, Ahmedabad. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.